Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you need to create a 2x2 image in Canva, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So don't miss a step and let's get into it. So to create a new design or a 2x2 image, we're going to go up to the top right hand side and click on create a design, and we're going to then run down to the bottom of the page and click on create custom design. Now from here you can actually change the unit of measurement from pixels. You can also use inches, millimeters, and centimeters. And what we're going to do is, for this example, we will use inches, and the width and height you now need to change to 2 in both sections. You can now go ahead and click on create new design. And from here you can go ahead and add the appropriate elements to complete your design. And once you are done, you're going to go over to the top right hand side, click on share, and you are going to save your design. This will now be appropriate to print out in a 2x2 inch format. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a big old thumbs up, share it with a friend. We'll see you next time. Peace out.